This video is for the foreigners. If you have visited Pakistan and you did not see the finest historic building of the marvelous Sindhi architecture in Karachi, Sindh, then trust me, you did not see anything. You have just wasted your time and wasted your money. Since Sindh is full of so many historic places, rich culture, heritage, and you see so many places which starts from uh, Karachi, Thatta to the Darawar Fort of Cholistan. But one should not miss to visit this place, visit this building, because this building has very distinct identity. Yes, I'm talking about the first earthquake proof building of Pakistan. Though we have many historic man made structures which are still standing perfectly, but this building has very unique significance because this building was constructed as per earthquake proof or resistant techniques. That's why we call this building as the first earthquake proof building of Pakistan, maybe India. Yes, I'm talking about the Sarnagati building, standing beautifully, strongly at Pakistan Chowk of Karachi. This building has three stories, and the construction of the building was started in 1930 with the red sandstone which were brought in from Jaipur, India. Initially, it was mapped that this building will have seven stories, but due to the partition of India in 1947, owners were unable to brought in more stone, and they just completed three stories. So the one floor of this building was in use of government office for decades, and one floor of this building was on rent to the British Council Library for 2000 rupees, and one floor of this building was in use of the owner of the building, Mr. P.K. Shahani, Mr. Prem Keval Ram Shahani. Nowadays, Mr. Jitinder Shahani look after this building, and he is the descendant of Mr. P.K. Shahani. So this was all about the first earthquake-proof building of Pakistan, maybe India. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.